Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Bilis.
This is your ICC presentation.
And this is my news report, sports reports.
This is my sports report. Filipino boxer Yumir Marshall knocked down his opponent in the 4th round. Filipino boxer Yumir Marshall defeated his opponent Tayon Saxena of Thailand on Saturday, March 24, 2024 at Ninoy Aquino Stadium for their Tokyo Olympic bronze fight. The Filipino boxer unleashed his strongest uppercut, cornering his opponent in the 4th round, causing Thailand boxer Sinan to fall.
Stop.
Marshall
To fall.
is now preparing for his next match at the Paris Olympic this April. Thank you.
Basta ka na mag-i-stop.